Introducing the RYOBI 18V ONE+HP Brushless Upright Vacuum. Its sleek black aesthetic is designed to complement any home. It delivers powerful suction while weighing only 4 kilograms. Engineered with ultimate maneuverability to make cleaning easy and convenient. Unlike many other vacuums, WrapDefence technology minimises hair from wrapping around the roller bars, delivering hassle-free cleaning with little maintenance. Featuring 3 power modes, it effectively tackles all types of flooring, from carpets and rugs to hard floors and tiles. ONE+HP technology increases power, battery runtime and ensures long-term suction. Feel confident tackling everything from large debris, dirt and dust, pet hair and more. And the LED lights help you detect hidden messes. The extra-large 1-litre dust tank extends cleaning times between emptying, meaning fewer trips to the bin. Clean your whole home at once with up to 60 minutes of runtime, using both 4-amp ONE+ 18V batteries included in the kit. Find your RYOBI 18V ONE+HP Brushless Upright Vacuum at your local Bunnings warehouse in the cleaning aisle.
RYOBI, a cut above.